All right, folks, just want to do a follow-up review on my Honda Accord. Some of the stuff I bought for it and I fixed up. I did do the Android radio. It was the 10.1-inch touchscreen, and I love it. I'm able to watch music videos instead of just playing music in my car. I did also add the backup camera. Anyway, so the radio was $220 for the radio. It took me about a half hour to install. Let me show you back here. The backup camera that I purchased, I think it was $8 or $9 for this little camera. And it already came white in color. It has little LED lights when you shift it up, or when you shift into reverse at nighttime, it lights up behind you so you can see fine. But anyways, I bought this Accord. It's an 08, and I kind of like buying cars and fixing them up a little bit. So I'm trying to think of the stuff I've done. I did add the factory spoiler to it. I think that was like $80 price point. Already color matched. I did LED license plate lights, the tinted license plate cover. I got the dark one. I'll put a link in the description so you know which one the dark one is, because they make them lighter and darker and clear and whatever. I did do 20-inch Rivetti M5 wheels, and I get so many compliments, and they look great, especially rolling. They have like a fake inner lip, as you can see on the inside of it, in about 4 or 5 inches, which gives it a crazy three-dimensional look when this thing's rolling. Hopefully you can see it here on the camera. But so I did those 20-inch. They're 20 by 8.5 inches wide. They're a plus 38 offset with a 225/35 series 20-inch tire. I have no rubbing issues whatsoever. I did do the Max speeding rod coilovers. They're fully adjustable. They're 24-way dampening. Probably can't see them, but they're red in color, and they're back. You probably can't see them though, but anyways, so I tinted the windows myself. I did one of those window tint kits. I just bought off Amazon. It's pre-cut, which makes it real easy to install. It took me probably an hour and a half to do the install. I bought new headlights. My old headlights were just hazy and discolored and stuff like that. So I did these black with like clear side marker lights. I did LED low beams, LED high beams, parking lights, running lights. Just trying to think of some of the stuff that I did to the car. But all in all, the thing just turned out great. Like, I take this to a lot of car shows, and people just love it. Especially knowing that it's an older 08 Accord. A lot of people think it's newer than that. All you gotta do is take care of your cars and keep them clean, and they end up looking great. And of course, there's my YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, please, if you don't mind. And I'll keep bringing out videos and follow-up videos and let you know about products that I purchased and which ones are good, which ones are bad. But all in all, it's a great car. Thanks for watching my channel, guys. I appreciate it. Hey guys, if you liked my video, you can check out other videos right here, just like it. Please hit my subscribe button, and thanks for watching.